Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, everyone, to the second segment of today's Iqra with Iqra. And I have to admit, in the first segment, we've had many callers ringing in, reading Quran. Their sabak, of course, are looking inside and reading memorization, those that have memorized. And of course, Qaida, Nurani Qaida, you are giving me your lesson number, page number, and it is going on screen. Last segment, do remember, it's DYK Sirat al-Nabi. Did you know about Sirat al-Nabi? That will only take place after the break, the next break in the last segment. But for now, let's go to our callers and let's see who we have waiting, ready to recite, to read. Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, alaikum assalam.
Yes, Hussein.
Yes.
You're going to read Yasir, you said, isn't it?
Yes.
Off by heart or looking inside?
Off by heart.
Okay, so I hope... Okay, Cholo, let's see how you do.
Should I start?
Yeah.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم
والقرآن الحكيم.
والقرآن
No. You're saying wala qura, wala. No. There is no qalqala on the lam. والقرآن الحكيم.
والقرآن الحكيم
قرآن الحكيم. No. قرآن الحكيم. والقرآن الحكيم.
والقرآن الحكيم.
Okay, don't jerk. Wal Qur'an al Hakim. No. That's wrong. Wal Qur'an al Hakim.
والقرآن الحكيم.
Much better. Don't kind of jump. When you're reading, it seems as though your voice is jumping. Carry on.
إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز
نون ساكن إخفاء. تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون وجعلنا من بين أيديهم صدا ومن خلفهم صدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم. بمغفرة وأجر كريم. إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما
الموتى. Inna, afternoon, there's alif madda. Inna. Okay, let's stop there. From 12, next time, time's up.
Okay.
Remember ayat 12, okay?
Okay.
Practice more. I don't want no mistakes. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Take care. Allah Hafiz. Next caller. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Who's calling? Zara Maryam, how are you doing?
Fine.
Your sabak is from where, Zara Maryam?
Lesson 24.
Lesson 24. Okay then. From the beginning?
Yeah.
Okay then. Start reading.
Muhammadun.
No, mim has a dhamma, so it's mu, not ma, mu. Muhammadur.
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
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 Again, Muhammadur
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah. Min Rabbika.
Okay.
Ra'uf. Ra'ufun.
Ra'ufur.
Rahimun. Ishati. Radiyatin.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Is Haroon going to read?
Yes.
Give it to Haroon.
Assalamu
As-salam, Haroon. How are you?
good.
Where are you going to read from, Mr. Haroon Baroon?
No, I'm not Mr. Rude.
Huh?
I'm not Mr. Rude.
You're not going to read?
Yes.
Are you not going to read, Haroon Baroon?
Mr. Laura.
Haroon Baroon, you're not going to read?
Yes.
Okay. Are you a good boy?
Yes.
Why are you a good boy?
I don't know.
Okay then. Is your name Haroon Baroon? Huh?
No.
No. Okay then. Start reading. Which page is it?
Page number
13. Okay. Okay. Is that from the words?
13. Yeah.
Okay, let's have the words in 13. Lesson 3, 13. Ibilise.
Ibni.
Uh
Kifa.
huh.
Shahida.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Okay, good. Learn some more words, yeah. And I want you to don't memorize the words. Look at it, and you should be able to say ibili because you know it's kasra. Okay. Good try, Haroon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. You know he wants to shout at the end. Next call. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Samaya wa salam. What's up?
Good.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Where are you going to read from?
219.
219. Is it off by heart? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course it is. 219. Inshallah, when you're ready, you can start.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أو كالذي مر على
Okay, 219 did you say?
Yeah.
219.
Yeah.
219 is Surah Baqarah is يسألونك عن الخمر والميسر.
I think I said the wrong thing.
Is it? Okay, which verse is it?
أو كالذي مر على.
Okay, so where is that? Is that... Which verse is that? Can you tell me the verse number?
I'm not sure what it is.
See, what you're telling me 219 is يسألونك عن الخمر والميسر.
I think it's just 209 maybe.
209, 290.
I'm not sure.
Have you finished? You haven't finished Baqarah, have you?
No.
No, then it can't be 290 because it has 286 ayats. I mean, I don't know where you are, I'll be honest with you, because I'm not Hafiz of the Quran, so I will go by the verse number you're giving me. So I really don't know where you are.
I think it's 259.
259. Okay, let's try 259. is أو كالذي, yes it is. أو كالذي مر على قرية, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أو كالذي مر على قرية وهي خاوية على عروشها قال أنى يحيي هذه الله بعد بعد موتها فأماته الله
فأماته الله 100 عام.
فأماته الله 100 عام ثم بعثه قال كم لبثت قال لبثت يوما أو بعض يوم قال بل لبثت 100 عام فانظر إلى طعامك وشرابك لم يتسنح وانظر إلى حمارك ولنجعلك آية للناس وانظر إلى العظام كيف ننشزها ثم نكسوها لحما فلما تبين له قال أعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير. That's all I'm reading.
Okay, so remember, I want you to write it down on your Quran 260 on the side. The line where you stopped, or write somewhere, so next time you can say to me 260.
Okay.
All right, make sure you write it down somewhere, please. Thank you so much, Sumaya.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa next caller, assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Right. So, so far, I guess it's been good. We've had our regulars calling in, reciting from where they have left off last time. So you have to remember your sabak, because these Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, it's your sabak. You're telling me where you are reading from, the ayat number, the surah number, the lesson number in the qaida, the page number. So you have to write it down yourself so you remember. Mondays and Fridays I'm leading, but Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays you're leading, and we are listening to your sabak, because ultimately the aim is for you to make one khatam of the Quran by the end of 2020, your own khatam of the Quran and your own khatam of the qaida. Mondays we will make our collective khatam of the qaida, and Fridays we will make our collective khatam of Khatm al-Quran by the inshallah by the end of this very year. So Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays is an opportunity for you to call in. So we want lots of other people calling in, yani more youth, more teenagers, if possible, more children calling in, taking part in Iqra with Iqra, reading your Quran, learning your Quran. See, I am not allowing any adults to call in during the evening show. I've totally stopped them, because in the last segment we want to concentrate on a particular subject and topics in that subject. So today we will be reading on Siratul Nabi, yani the life of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Last week on a Wednesday we spoke about his birth, the day he was born, the time he was born, at what time he was born, the month in which he was born, the lunar calendar month, the solar calendar month, and we also spoke about his lineage. You know, so we will progress from there today, inshallah. Let's see who we have. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Who's calling?
Safina.
Safina, how are you doing? Long time.
We tried phoning.
Okay then, Safina. What will you be reading?
Surah Bayyinati and Surah Qadri.
Surah off by heart or looking inside?
Looking inside.
Okay, Surah Bayyina and?
Surah Qadri.
Okay, so let's see whether we have time or not, because you got 4 minutes. When you're ready.
Okay. A'udhu billahi.
So you start in Bayyina first, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have Surah Bayyina, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين
البينة
البينة
رسول من الله
رسول من الله
No, it's not من الله, it's من الله
من الله يتلو صحفا
مطهرة
مطهرة فيها كتب قيمة وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة وما
أمروا
إلا
ليعبدوا الله Allah's name full mouth ليعبدوا الله مخلصين له الدين
ليعبدوا الله مخلصين
له الدين
حنفاء
ويقيموا
الصلاة
ويؤتوا
الزكاة وذلك دين القيمة إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم
خالدين
Hanama.
Okay, let's stop there because the time's up. We will continue from there tomorrow, from verse number 6 again, okay?
Okay.
Verse number 6. Thank you so much.
Ibrahim wants to read.
Okay, if there is no time now, after the break, I will take him, okay?
Okay.
So hold on, please. After the break, we will do some seerah first. Then he must hold on. After doing some seerah, then I will take his call. Okay?
Okay.
Stay on the line, please. Don't go anywhere. Assalamu alaikum.